Lubrication cars.
Okay guys, we seem to be having a problem with this door on this Fortuner. It seems to be, as the window comes up, it is bulging the door out like this, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then it's also making a kind of a loud banging in the very top because it snaps too. So I'm afraid this thing is going to break its glass if it's not adjusted properly, and let me show you what we're doing. Listen to this, guys. Hear that? That's not good. Okay, we have to get rid of that noise. It's supposed to be noise free all the way to the very top, but it's going bang over here, and I'll show you when it does go bang, this door is going to start to go like that. I'll show you that. Watch closely at the door. You see that? It gets wider here, meaning the door is bulging out. That's a bad sign too, so we're going to fix that. Okay, we're going to need some tools here to take the door apart. Remember, I have a set of these special plastic tools. You have about everything you need here to do this job, okay? And then you're going to need a special one like this to get all the clips off, okay? And that's what it's going to take to remove this door, and I'll show you the process step by step of removing this door panel, okay? So you guys have a problem-free situation of removing the door panel, okay? Then you're going to need to remove this speaker area here. It's called a tweeter. And after that, there's a screw right here in the door area. You're gonna have to remove it, and I'll show you that. It's gonna take a Phillips screwdriver, okay? And after that, there's a screw here in the and we're gonna move this with the same tool. And you're going to have the socket underneath. You just press it down. Press it down here, okay? I'll get a closer view of that. Okay, you're going to be pressing it down here, okay, while you pull it off. That's where you're going to be pressing down. Okay, and if you're having trouble getting that off, you just get a screwdriver and press this part in, okay? If you're having a hard time getting this off, you're going to press this part in right here with a screwdriver. Press this part in, and this thing will come right out, okay? Alright, after we're done with that, the rest of the door, believe it or not, comes off with just pulling it out. And I'll show you. Just use this tool and it'll pull right out. important. Once you get one out, it's very easy to get the door out. Okay. Once the door panel's out, you pull it straight up and it'll come out. And that's it, guys. It's out. And before we put it back in, we're gonna clean the door panel, and when we put it back on, it'll look a lot better. Okay. And that is how you remove a door panel from 2005 to 2002, a 2013 Toyota Fortuner, gas or diesel. Okay, you have to take this off very slowly, because we're going to reuse this. See, it's very sticky. You're going to have to check inside and find out what the holdup is. We're going to need to get into this area here. Okay guys, we're going to be using this kind of grease. It's lithium grease. It's best for the internal parts of a car, like hinges and stuff, because it doesn't break down like other greases do. It stays pliable. So we're just going to put that in there like that. And then when I'm done, I'm going to put the window up, so this will slide this way, and then we're going to do this other side. Okay, so we'll do this other side when I'm done with this. Then I'm going to do that back side too, and then put the camera down, and then I'll get back with you. If y'all look closely, this is what's causing the snapping sound. See it? You see that? Because this is loose. And if it twists any more than that, that would be enough to break the glass very quickly. I'm glad I found it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to tighten the screw up, and then I'm going to bring this window up to get to this other side here and lubricate this part, and also the same part on the inside here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this first, then we'll use the wrench. Remember, while tightening a bushing having to do with glass, you need to be very careful. Do not over tighten it, or you will snap the glass. Okay? You'll break the glass very easily, so you have to be careful. This is very hard to get to anything, so. Good, nice and tight, no more noise. Now we're going to bring the window up so we can lubricate this side of it and that side of it, and then we're done, guys. Okay, now we're going to get this. That's it, guys. Now we're going to put this thing back together again in the next scene, okay? Now there's some other parts that you got to lubricate too, and if you all see closely behind the glass, it's going to be in this area. Go ahead and lubricate this too on this side and on the other side, okay, before you put this thing back together. Same thing, it's just same rails as this, it's just you can't see it and you have to just have a feel for it, okay? And that's all you got to do, and that should complete your job right there. Okay, can you see that? Okay, we're behind the door now, and just lubricate this rail. There's no rail on the other side, okay? So just get this one right here, and then you're done. Lubricate the top part and the bottom part of the rail. Once you get that, you need to, and I gotta hold the camera while I'm doing this, guys. It's not easy. Okay, you're gonna bring this back the other way. Okay, and you're going to be doing this side, lubricating it. Guys, this is like gymnastics. Gymnastics for the filming. It's not easy. Okay. Alright, I hope I got that on video. And that's a properly lubricated rail there. And then we got the rails lubricated here as well. And let's get a better shot of that. Oh yeah, so much better. There you go. Okay. So now we're gonna put this thing together the same way we took it apart, you know, and it should be done. You guys get a mess like this, that tar stuff on anything in a car like that, you just spray it with WD-40 and then it'll come off with a little bit of elbow grease, okay? See, huh? See that? That's it, it's off, and then you're just gonna clean that with cleaner, window cleaner, and it'll take that right off and it'll look brand new, okay? And then that's it. There you go, guys. It's really easy to get the door off of a 2012 to 2016, 15 Fortuner. Just a couple things. There's a pin right there, a screw right there, a screw right here, and clips. You just have to take the clips off of this. And before you do any of that, you have to take the tweeter cover off, okay? And that's pretty much it. And then you can access the internals of the door. And as you can see, everything is just good. No noise. Just like when it was new. I would like to thank everybody for watching the video. I appreciate it. And if you found the video interesting and fulfilling and you liked it and it helped you fix the problems like it helped me fix the problems on this door, then give it a like, share, and subscribe. Share it to your friends, your family, and maybe the boyfriend of your ex-girlfriend. Maybe he'll like it. And hope to see you in the next video. BBG is out.
BBG cars.